Oh man.
Look at that. From the bed.
We're in a hotel room, people.
Lily, open the window a little more. This side. No, Papa.
These guys are all, I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're all
on the bed.
Oh! That's not.
Wow. Okay, Papa, get on the bed. Okay, but what do you think, Vida? Look at that.
But did they just started, right? Oh, there you go. There you go.
And look at that, and we get to see it
Oh,
right.
look at that. Oh, look at that Mickey Mouse.
Mickey. Did you guys see that?
This is so cool.
Front row seats from our bed.
I know.
This is great. Whoa, Galen. You see that, Mama? Sonny, we see it better than being there.
Yeah.
Because then your neck is facing up and you can see all this.
Mama.
Give me one.
Oh,
Look at that.
Look at that.
Mickey Mouse.
Let's see. Maybe they'll make him again. Mira, mira, mira. Something nice gonna come. Look.
What's
Wow.
that?
Oh.
Oh, sprinkles.
Me.
Oh, that's like a Ferris wheel. It's like a Ferris wheel, Mommy.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, look at that.
I love that color.
This is so cool.